Today, I will be demonstrating the new process for sub-equipment in FSL Mobile. When I open the Actions menu, you will notice that the installed sub-equipment option has now been split into three parts. They are Dismantle Sub-Equipment, Install Sub-Equipment, and Update Sub-Equipment Classification. The benefits of this change are that as sub-equipment is dismantled, it will already show in your inventory when you go to install the new card reader. This gives a positive verification that the card reader has been removed to avoid confusion. The first step of this process is to select Dismantle Sub-Equipment. Doing so shows the card reader that is currently attached. Hitting Next will give a verification that that card reader has been dismantled, and hitting Exit will take you back to the service appointment. The next step is to reopen the Actions menu and click on Install Sub-Equipment if you are replacing that card reader. Here you can scan the new card reader's barcode, which is preferred, type in the card reader's serial number, which is not preferred, or choose the reader from the drop-down list showing the readers that are currently on your inventory. As I open this list, you can see right at the top, there's the card reader that I just dismantled, so it's already in my inventory. I'm going to select the second one that ends in 2236 and hit Next. And as I do, I get a message saying that it was installed successfully. The next step is to click Update Characteristics. And as I do, it takes me to the list of characteristics. I can look here and see if everything is set up correctly. And if it is, I can click No Changes Needed and then click Next to move to the next screen. But in this case, you can see that my carrier, function, and COM protocol are all showing empty, which is not correct. And to fix that, I would select COM protocol and hit Next, select the correct option and Next again. Then I would hit function and the correct option and Next, and then carrier, Next, and the correct option. And as I do that, I can see the current classification is empty, 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 but the updated classification shows Verizon, cashless telemetry, and 4G, which is correct. The next step is to click Next, and I am now done with that process. If I need to go in to validate the settings or change any of the settings, I can click Update Sub-Equipment Classification, and there I can also see the current classification and determine if that needs correcting or needs to stay the same. If it needs to stay the same, I can hit No Changes Needed. If it needs correcting, I can go through the different steps. And so since they are correct, I would hit Next, and I have dismantled and installed a new piece of sub-equipment. Thank you for watching.